Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Niche Beauty Lab Theramid Ceramide Treatment. This product retails for $40. You all have actually asked me to try this, and Niche Beauty Lab reached out to me and sent me this product. They didn't ask me to do a full long form review to it, but I still wanted to try this. This was brought to my attention because they use a 3% pure ceramide complex, which I haven't seen a lot of other brands doing that. Niche Beauty Lab and the Theramid collection specifically has been an amazing game changer for me with azelaic acid. With this, it's supposed to be a great barrier strengthening and also soothing complex. Really excited. A couple of ingredients I'm curious if they will break me out. That will just come with time, but I'm super excited to be trying out this. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlight ingredients include a 3% pure ceramide complex, 1% Ectoin, and 1% Silica. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description. It goes to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Really excited to feel the texture of this product. Really excited to see what I noticed this product to do for my skin. If I notice it help redness, how I notice it to help my skin barrier, and also doing a comparison to some other ceramide treatments that I've tried. I've tried out a lot of ceramide treatments, moisturizers, but with this being a different technology, I'm excited to see how that lives up to the hype and also how it compares to other products that I've tried. I'm also going to be seeing if it causes any acne, but I will be doing check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. Been using it for a couple of days. This is a beautiful serum. It has a really lightweight texture to it, and I can tell that they specialize with this texture because with their azelaic acid serum, it had a way of being super moisturizing to the skin, but not heavy. This one though has more weight to it, and this definitely provides more of a long-lasting hydration. On the face specifically, the longer that I use it, the more that I notice it just continue to hydrate and rebuild my skin barrier, which I absolutely love. I take about 3 pumps of this. That's a little excessive. With barrier serums, I like to layer them on, specifically if I am feeling a little bit sensitized. I'm still deciding if I feel like any skin type could use this. I feel like oily skin may be able to get away with using this as a moisturizer, which I'm on the fence about that because it is a little bit heavier. I definitely don't think oily skin would like using this and then a moisturizer after, because it does feel like a little bit more heavy on the skin. Specifically, as you continue to wear it, it gets a little bit more. It's definitely something that will be the perfect layering step for dry skin, but with oily skin, I may recommend just ending with this product. That is, of course, if I don't experience acne. I'm hoping I won't. It's been a couple of days, and sometimes I experience texture or something coming up on my skin. So none of that has happened yet. Very hopeful that it will continue working. This is definitely a product that, at least from the first couple of days of using, it has gotten better and better each time I apply it. The first time I was kind of like, okay, hang on. And then the more it wore on my skin, it has been soothing some of my redness. It kind of instantly took out some of the redness that I had in my face, but it's definitely getting better the more that I'm using it. Also at night, it's a really good restorative treatment to have me wake up feeling refreshed, and layers really well with a moisturizer for me. Right now it's a little bit more warm out, so I don't like using this as much during the day. I love using it at night. So I'm going to continue using it, loving it so far. I can tell a difference in this ceramide serum versus some of the others that I've tried right off the bat. Like, it is just a complete different technology. I love the supporting ingredients they have in here. Soybean is in here, which I'm a little bit worried about, but that has been hit or miss with me. So we will just see. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I am so glad that I listened to you all and ended up trying out this product because it is a really soothing, high potent ceramide serum like it claims. First of all, I don't know any other serum on the market that uses a pure form of 3% ceramides, which I understand the price point may be a little bit more expensive to invest in, but personally from the results that I saw with it. I haven't tried any other ceramide serum on the market, at least that I can think of, with this level of ingredients in it, and also with the great results that I have seen with this product. Usually ceramide treatments just deliver some subtle benefits to hydrating the skin and also some reparative skin barrier support over time. With this product, within a week, I noticed a difference in not only my skin barrier and my skin hydration, but also in my redness and how my skin was appearing day to day. I like it because it is a nice lightweight emulsion texture, making it perfect in my opinion for any skin type. I do feel like oily skin may not benefit from it as much unless you're just needing a more nighttime restorative treatment, or if you're wanting a lighter weight moisturizer, this may be a good end step. Who I feel like would really benefit from it is if you struggle really bad with redness. Additionally, this product didn't cause any breakouts with the soybean extract in it. I've noticed I have personally had more issues with soybean oil, so that's just how my acne prone skin reacts to this. If you know you have a really bad sensitivity to soybean, I'm not sure I would recommend it because that is something in this product that could set off acne, but it worked great for my acne prone skin, and I would recommend it because with Ectoin, Silica, Medecassic acid, and also a potent blend of ceramides, I feel like it really helped my skin redness the most, but also was a great soothing hydrating product for dry skin. It's going to be a dream if you struggle with extremely dry, irritated, or sensitized skin. Those are all concerns that I have been going through recently. The weather's been getting warmer. I have been more on the oily side, and it's been working great for my oily combination skin, so I feel like any skin type could benefit from it. I've said this with some more hydrating product. I just feel like where it lands in your skincare routine differs on your skin type. I feel like if you are more oily, you may end with a product like this, but if you are more dry, it would be the perfect layering step. Very midway emulsion texture, so I mean, you could go close to a moisturizer, you could go close to cleansing depending on how many steps you use. Overall, if you struggle with redness, dryness, or irritated skin, sensitized, sensitive skin, that's who I'd really recommend this for. I mean, if you don't struggle with those really bad, then it may not be worth investing in unless you're just wanting a pure ceramide serum added to your skincare routine. This is one of the ceramide serums that I feel like is really worth it, and coming from someone who is acne prone, struggles pretty bad with sensitization and some redness, this is a dream serum, and I would 100% recommend trying it. Theramid serums and formulations are really impressive from what I've tried so far, and this paired with their azelaic acid, such a dream. This paired with actives in general is a really great combination. I love that they took into consideration sensitive and sensitized skin and made a formula like this. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.